4 ईयरली मूविंग एवरेज, एक्सरसाइज 4.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, 4 ईयरली मूविंग एवरेज। हम लोगों ने 5 और 3 ईयरली मूविंग एवरेज किया। ये ऑड नंबर ऑफ मूविंग एवरेज से क्या होता है, मिडिल में वो मिडिल ईयर मतलब पहले 5 साल आपने अगर ले लिए तो मिडिल ईयर के सामने वो लिख सकते हैं आप, ओके। लेकिन 4 ईयरली मूविंग एवरेज ये अलग होता है, क्योंकि इसमें ये नहीं होता, मिडिल ईयर नहीं होता। तो ये अगर हो गया 1976, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Then I will take the values of index. That is 0, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. 4 ईयरली मूविंग एवरेज है, तो मैं पहले 1, 2, 3, 4 साल ले लूंगी और इसके बीच में लिखा जाएगा। तो टोटल क्या आएगा, 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3, 5 plus 3, this is 8. Then I will cancel this and I will include this. तर याच्यामध्ये येईल ते, so it is 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. This is 5, 5, this will become 10. ये 77 चला जाएगा, 81. So 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4. This will be 12, right? तो 78 चला जाएगा, कि हम लोग नेक्स्ट 4 ले लेंगे ना। Like this you will continue. Okay, this will come here, sorry. It will be 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. This 5, 5, 10, 14. So again I will take 83 and I'll omit 79. I'll write here in between. So that will be 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. 17. मग आता काय होईल, 80 निघून जाईल आणि I will consider 84. ये इधर लिखा जाएगा। तो ये 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Four plus 5, now this is 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 10. 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 10. This is 11 plus 10, 21 plus 7, 28. इधर तक हो गया, ये हो गया आपका मूविंग टोटल। अब इसका आएगा मूविंग एवरेज। तो मूविंग एवरेज भी इसी के सामने आएगा, 8 divided by 4 is 2, क्योंकि 4 ईयरली था। 10 divided by 4 will be 2.5. 12 divided by 4, 3. 14 divided by 4. .5. Then it is 17 divided by 4. 4.25. Then it is 22 divided by 4. 5.5. Then it is 28 divided by 4. That is 7. This is 4 ईयरली मूविंग एवरेज। लेकिन आप देखो ये एवरेज जो है ये किसी के भी सामने नहीं आ रहा है। Getting this? ये किसी भी ईयर के सामने नहीं है, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इसको इसका सेंटर्ड एवरेज निकालते हैं। तो 2 plus 4.2 2 plus 2.5 is 4.5. 4.5 divided by 2, that is 2.25. Then 2.5 plus 3, 5.5 divided by 2, that is 2.75. Then 3 plus, this is 6.5, 6.5 divided by 2, it will become 3.25. Then you will add this, 3.5 plus 4.25 divided by 2, this will become 3.875. आपण याला ना सेंटर्ड ऍव्हरेज घेतो. आता हे जे या दोघांच्या मध्ये लिहिलेलं आहे, इट रिप्रेझेंट्स अ पर्टिक्युलर इयर. This represents year 78. This represents year 79, 80, and so on. $4.25 plus 5.5. And then 5.5 plus 7 divided by 2. That is 6.25. These are the centered moving averages. Are we getting this? हम लोग वैसे ही निकालते हैं जैसे हम लोग 3 ईयर या 5 ईयर का निकालते हैं. बस हम लोग इसे भी वापस एवरेज कर लेते हैं ताकि वो एक पर्टिकुलर ईयर के सामने हो. इसका फर्दर प्रोसीजर ये होता है कि हम लोग उस ईयर के सामने ये निकालते हैं एंड वी जॉइन दिस पॉइंट्स टू फाइंड द ट्रेंड लाइन. This is 4 yearly moving average. The next method of determining the trend is the least square method. This is best and most objective method. It is scientifically developed and we can use it for predicting the trend values of the years for which it is not given. Okay, so this is considered to be one of the best method for estimating the trend values in future. This is based on linear trend. So we consider that trend is a linear equation. If this is trend value, then yt is equals to a plus bt. And the formula is, we use two simultaneous equations to solve this. Summation y is equals to na plus b summation t, and summation ty is a summation t plus b summation t square. Then what is t? T is actually the deviation of the years from the middle year. So T is deviations of year from middle year. To make things more understandable, we use the formula. Instead of using this formula, we use it that summation u is equals to na plus b summation u. For making it more proper, we will use this formula. We'll say summation u y is equals to na plus b summation u, and the other formula that we'll use it, summation y is sorry, I have written the formulas wrong. I'll just correct that. So we will solve two simultaneous equations. This will make it more easy to understand. It will be summation y is na plus b summation u, and summation uy is equals to a summation u plus b summation u square. Here u is year minus middle year upon h. H is distance between two consecutive years. H is distance between two consecutive years. Actually speaking, when the number of years are odd, we get 1 year which is middle year, और हम लोग उससे डिविएट कर सकते हैं. लेकिन जब नंबर ऑफ इयर्स इवन होते हैं तो हमको एक ईयर नहीं मिलता जो मिडिल ईयर है. We don't get 1 year which is middle year. हमको 2 years मिलते हैं, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उसको उसका एवरेज निकालते हैं, और तब ये h जो है उसकी वैल्यू h/2 हो जाती है. सो जब आपका जो नंबर ऑफ इयर्स है, व्हेन नंबर ऑफ इयर्स आर ऑड, u is t minus middle value upon 1, actually h, but h will be mostly 1 here. But when number of years are even, then u is t minus mean of 2 middle year upon h/2. And h is nothing but the distance between the consecutive years. That is your h. Okay, so let us try to solve using this formulas. It is very easy. The formulas seems to be difficult sometimes, but it's really easy to solve this. I'll take an example. Question number 2 from 4.1. They have given you year from 1962, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. तो पहले तो ये नंबर ऑफ इयर्स देख लेते हैं हम लोग. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. क्योंकि ये ऑड नंबर ऑफ इयर्स है तो इसका हमको मिडिल ईयर डेफिनेटली मिल जाएगा, और वो है 1967. ये है उसका मिडिल ईयर, और उसकी वैल्यूज क्या है, इन वैल्यूज को हम लोग y बोलते हैं. दिस इज y, the values. So the values are 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 2, 4, 9, 7, 10, 8. Okay, so now we will find out u. U is year minus the middle year. So 1962 minus 1967. So this will be minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your u, right? Then we will have u square. Why I am finding out u and u square? Because the formulas are this. These are my formulas. I need summation y, I need u square, I need summation u, I need uy. तो formulas क्या है हम लोगों के? It is summation y is equals to na plus b summation u. So I need summation u. Summation u is 0 here. Then it is summation uy is equals to a summation u plus b summation u square. So summation u square क्या है? 25, 16, 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Summation u square क्या आ जाएगा? 110. Now we also want summation y. Summation y म्हणजे याची addition. This is 8 plus 10, 18 and plus 25 and 9, 34, 38, 40, 44, 45, 46. This will be 46. And we will find out uy. Uy is 0, 0, minus 3, minus 2, minus 4, 0, 4, 18, 21, 40, and this is 40. This total will become 114. अब हम लोग इन इक्वेशंस में इन वैल्यूज को डाल देंगे. तो समेशन y क्या है? 46. 46 is equals to n is 11, a we don't know, plus b into summation u is 0. So I will get 11a is equals to 46. So a will be 46 by 11, that is 4.1818. Now I will find out the next also. The next equation is summation uy, a summation u plus b summation u square. तो summation uy क्या है इधर? 114, 114. A summation u is 0 plus b. What is summation u square? 110. So b into 110 is equals to 114. So b will be 114 divided by 110. Your answer is 1.0364, right? You have got A, you have got B. Are we getting this? Now the trend line is y t is equals to A plus bt. The trend line is 4.1818 plus 1.0364 into t. Now what does the t means? T means these values. I can also say it is u. Instead of saying it t, I'll say it is u. U means this values. अगर उन्होंने मुझे 73 का एस्टिमेट करने को बोला तो 73 का u क्या आएगा? 1973 minus 1967, it will come 6. So I will say trend of 1973 will be 4.1818 plus 1.0364 into 6, and then I will get my answer. So it will be 1.0364 into plus 4.1818. It is 10.4002. This will be your trend value. Are we getting this? It's very simple. We are only using these two equations here. Summation y is the addition of all the values. N is the number of years. A is a coefficient. B is also coefficient. Summation u. U is year minus middle year upon h. H is distance between the 2 years. And then uy, a summation u plus b summation u square. तो हम लोग u कैसे निकाल रहे इधर? इसका मिडिल ईयर क्या था? 1965. तो u क्या आएगा? 1962 minus 1965. 1963 minus 1965. ऐसे करके हम लोगों को u मिलेगा. फिर हम लोग u square निकालेंगे, uy निकालेंगे. We'll find out a, we'll find out b. And then we'll put it in this equation. This will be your answer. ये मतलब आप कोई भी ईयर अभी एस्टिमेट कर सकते हो. अगर उन्होंने बोला कि 1975 को एस्टिमेट करो, जैसे सम में उन्होंने बोला 1975 को एस्टिमेट करो, तो 1975 की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 1975 minus 1967, that is u is 8 here. तो ये वैल्यू होगी 4.1818 plus 1.0364 into 8. So your answer is 12.473. Okay. So this is how we are going to find out the trend values using method of least square.